As an IT administrator in charge of endpoint management, your job is complicated. You oversee systems deployment and configuration, and you manage a range of both traditional and mobile devices. You've got to stay on top of security patching and vulnerability scanning, rights administration, software license and regulatory compliance updates, and so much more. Luckily, Quest KACE has your back, and KACE Academy can help you get the most from your endpoint management tools. Whether you're new to KACE solutions or want to take your skill set to the next level, KACE Academy offers a way to learn best practices, improve productivity, and grow your expertise. Attend a 4-day instructor-led workshop that'll help you to fine-tune your KACE implementation so you're better positioned to secure and unify your entire endpoint environment. Learn tips and tricks from KACE experts on how to optimize security, deployment, and your end-user experience. Discover specific KACE features to help you streamline daily management tasks to save time and money. Ask questions and get advice about your specific environment. The KACE Academy Lab environment gives you hands-on experience with key functionality across the KACE product portfolio. Product demos show how you can unlock the full potential of your KACE solutions. And whether you choose to attend in person or virtually, the classroom experiences offer you the same opportunity to learn from KACE experts and share knowledge with peers. Advance your endpoint management strategy at KACE Academy with new knowledge and concrete strategies to optimize your KACE investment. Begin your learning journey today and visit us at www.quest.com/KACE Academy.